Creating beautiful and timeless wooden decor and furniture crafts from log wood offers numerous advantages that resonate deeply with the modern living style, blending aesthetic appeal, sustainability, and functionality in a way that enriches contemporary homes. In an era where minimalism and natural elements have gained prominence in interior design, log wood, with its rustic charm and unique character, provides an ideal material for crafting pieces that not only enhance the visual appeal of a space, but also foster a sense of warmth and connection to nature. Each log carries its own history, with distinctive grain patterns, colors, and textures, allowing artisans to create one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out in a world inundated with mass-produced furniture. This individuality is particularly significant in modern living, where consumers increasingly seek authenticity and uniqueness in their home decor. By transforming log wood into beautiful crafts, artisans can tap into this desire, offering products that are not only functional, but also serve as conversation starters and focal points within a room. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of beautiful and timeless wooden decor and furniture crafts ideas from logwood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of working with logwood also promotes a sense of craftsmanship that is highly valued in today's market. As consumers become more discerning about the origin and quality of the products they purchase, the handmade nature of logwood crafts elevates their worth. Artisans who take the time to select the right materials, design thoughtfully, and execute their vision with care create pieces that reflect their skill and dedication. This attention to detail resonates with buyers who appreciate the artistry involved in crafting wooden decor and furniture, allowing artisans to command higher prices and build a loyal customer base. Moreover, the timeless quality of well-crafted wooden items ensures that they remain relevant and cherished for years to come, often becoming heirlooms that can be passed down through generations. This enduring appeal aligns perfectly with the modern living ethos, where sustainability and longevity are increasingly prioritized over fleeting trends. In addition to their aesthetic and economic advantages, logwood crafts contribute significantly to sustainable living practices. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many consumers are actively seeking ways to reduce their ecological footprint. By utilizing logwood, particularly from sustainably managed forests or reclaimed sources, artisans can create beautiful decor and furniture while promoting responsible consumption. The act of repurposing logs that might otherwise go to waste not only minimizes environmental impact, but also encourages a culture of reusability and resourcefulness. This commitment to sustainability resonates with modern consumers who value products that align with their environmental ethics, enhancing the marketability of logwood crafts. Furthermore, the durability of wood as a material means that well-crafted items can last a lifetime, reducing the need for frequent replacements and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. The versatility of logwood as a material also allows for a wide range of creative possibilities, making it an ideal choice for modern living spaces. Whether crafting elegant dining tables, cozy benches, striking wall art, or unique lighting fixtures, the adaptability of logwood enables artisans to explore various design styles, from rustic to contemporary. This flexibility allows for seamless integration into diverse interior aesthetics, appealing to a broad audience with varying tastes. Logwood crafts can complement minimalist designs with clean lines and natural finishes, while also enhancing more eclectic spaces with their organic forms and textures. This ability to cater to different design preferences makes logwood an attractive option for artisans looking to appeal to a wide customer base, thereby increasing their potential for sales and profitability. Moreover, the tactile nature of logwood crafts contributes to the overall sensory experience of a living space. In an age dominated by sleek surfaces and artificial materials, the warmth and texture of wood provide a refreshing contrast that invites touch and interaction. The natural variations in grain, knots, and coloration evoke a connection to the outdoors, fostering a sense of tranquility and comfort in the home. This sensory appeal aligns perfectly with modern living, where creating a nurturing and inviting environment is increasingly valued. By incorporating logwood decor and furniture into their spaces, individuals can cultivate a harmonious atmosphere that promotes well-being and relaxation, enhancing their overall quality of life. In addition to these tangible benefits, crafting with logwood can also have a profound emotional impact on both the maker and the consumer. The process of creating furniture and decor from raw materials can be incredibly fulfilling, allowing artisans to express their creativity while engaging in a hands-on, meditative practice. This connection to the material fosters a deep appreciation for the craftsmanship involved, making each piece not just a product, but a labor of love. For consumers, purchasing handmade logwood crafts often comes with a story. Knowing that their furniture or decor has been thoughtfully created by an artisan adds emotional value to the item. This narrative aspect deepens the connection between maker and buyer, cultivating a sense of community and shared values that is increasingly important in today's fast-paced, digital world. Furthermore, the trend of incorporating logwood crafts into modern living extends beyond individual homes to public spaces and commercial environments. Restaurants, cafes, and offices are increasingly adopting natural materials in their design to create welcoming and engaging atmospheres. Logwood furniture and decor can enhance the ambience of these spaces, making them feel more inviting and comfortable for patrons and employees alike. This broader application not only elevates the visibility of logwood crafts, but also positions artisans as key contributors to the design and aesthetic direction of contemporary environments, further solidifying their role in the modern marketplace. The advantages of creating wooden decor and furniture crafts from logwood are multifaceted, encompassing aesthetic appeal, sustainability, craftsmanship, versatility, and emotional connection. As modern living continues to evolve, the demand for unique, high-quality, and environmentally conscious products grows, positioning logwood crafts as an ideal solution for discerning consumers. By transforming raw logs into beautiful and functional pieces, artisans not only contribute to the aesthetics of contemporary homes, but also promote a sustainable lifestyle that values authenticity and craftsmanship. This practice enriches the lives of both makers and consumers, fostering a deeper appreciation for the art of woodworking and the inherent beauty of natural materials. Ultimately, the significance of logwood crafts in modern living extends beyond mere decoration. They embody a philosophy of living that cherishes creativity, sustainability, and connection to nature, making them timeless additions to any space. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beautiful and timeless wooden decor and furniture crafts ideas from logwood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.